Okay, so hi dear Cancer, it's a 7 day 7 oceans and tarot messages reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 12th till the 18th of May. Okay, for personal reading and healing sessions or for my tarot course, links are given below in the description box, and for Ho'oponopono masterclass and self love course too. Okay, let's start Cancer for you guys for this week. 12th of May, trust. Okay, you just have to trust the process and trust the universe, and whatever you are trying to achieve here or whatever you're trying to start here, you will be able to do that, but you have to trust the process and the universe and yourself fully, and then go. It's like not even the slightest hint of, I don't know, I don't trust myself, I don't trust the universe. No, it's not going to work out like that. Full trust on universe, on yourself, and on the process. Good. 13th of May, we are the world. You are going to have a sense of belonging. You are going to have this energy of, okay, everyone around you is connected to you. Every one of us is made of energy, and everyone is a beautiful energy connected to the other energy in some other way or form, right? It's like you feeling like blessed and you feeling united with the whole universe in some way. That's the deal. And or you should feel like that. You must practice feeling like this, so that you are going to feel like, okay, at calm and at peace with yourself and with other energies around you. Okay, honey. 14th of May, we have the control. Don't try to do that. On this 14th of May, on this day, you might have this tendency to try to control people, things, and situations. And intuitively, you are going to know that you cannot do it, even if you are going to die. You cannot control each and everything. Sometimes you just have to surrender. You can control your emotions, you can control your actions, but you cannot do it for others. So release the control and be at peace with this reality, with this truth that you cannot control each and everything. Even if you can, even if you want to. All of us want that thing kind of at some point of our time, some point of our life, but I left it like a long time ago. 12, 13, 14, 15th, we have the receptivity. The more you are going to be in the feminine energy of receiving from the universe, the more you are going to receive in like many folds. It's like you are going to receive a lot of blessings. You are going to receive a lot of downloads, intuitive energies. Be in the receptive energies. And how to be in the receptive energy? Just be in the surrender mode. Okay, whatever is happening, you just have to feel like whatever is happening for a good reason, and you're open to receive whatever blessings and lessons that are coming your way in a positive way. 12, 13, 14, 15. 16th, we have the projections. You might have this tendency to take people, things, and situations for what they are not, what they are projecting you to be. Try to go beyond the illusions and try to see things, people, and situations for what they are and who they are, not on this energy of what they are showing to you, showing them to you. It's like something or someone around you is kind of trying to play games with you. Just don't be a part of this game. Yeah, try to be alert and don't overshare or don't overtrust. 17th, we have the sharing. Whatever resources, energy, whatever talent, whatever things that you can share from your side to the one who needs your help, who needs this sharing, please do that, because the more you are going to share, the more the universe is going to bless you with more and more abundance and prosperity and happiness. But do not share with this kind of intention of, okay, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to get this from the universe. Then it's going to be a manipulation of energies, and the universe doesn't work with manipulation, it works with good energies. So sharing is going to give you give you a lot of blessings. So basically, whatever you can do from your side to help others, do that without any kind of intentions, without any kind of energy of I'm going to get the blessings or something. No. Okay. 18th, we have the turning in. Now, okay, there are lots of people around you who might be trying to give you their opinions and trying to manipulate your energies in some way, or try to give you solutions that might or might not match you with your energies. So try to turn into yourself for the guidance, for the answer, for the energies that you're seeking for, instead of trying to figure it out with other people, with other energies. Yeah, listen to everybody if you want to, but turn into yourself and listen to your intuition, your own intuition, and then make the wise choice and the decision according to your intuition and according to your energies. Okay, that's the deal here. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.